Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Blending and combining photos in Canva is a very straightforward process. So here is how you can do it. Simply go to the Canva website or open the Canva app on your device, then sign into your Canva account, and once logged in, click on the create a design button or select an existing design template that you want to edit. So here we want to create a new design. So simply tap on the create a design option available in the top right corner, right next to your profile icon. Then simply tap on the import file option available there. Then import a file from your desktop. Tap on the import files and choose any photos you want to blend into. So here you can also custom the size. So now after you have uploaded one photo, simply go to the uploads again. Tap on the uploads again and upload the another photo you want to blend in with this. So after you upload it, drag and drop the photo onto your design canvas and resize the position the photo as desired. So here we have covered all this. Now how we can blend it is simply tap on the transparency option available in the top and drag the slider from the lower to higher. So you can see you can drag the transparency until your preferences. So here I have chosen one. You can see the photos are blended. So now after applying this, you can simply save your design. Once you're satisfied, click on the share icon available in the top right corner again and download it. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.